Hey everybody, in this video I'm gonna be showing you guys how to activate Rogers World Elite MasterCard online. So before we get started, I just want you guys to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more amazing helpful content like this. With that all being said, let's get started with today's video. Hi guys, so first of all, just open up your internet browser on your iPhone or Android device or on your laptop or computer device. So just go to your desired internet browser and go to google.com, and here just search for search for activate Rogers World Elite card MasterCard, and then just click on this link, learn how to activate your card. So first of all, you just have to download the Rogers Bank application on your iOS or Android device, and then once you have downloaded it, then whether you are on the application or website, just click on the three lines in the top right corner and sign up for an account here. Or if you already have a new account here, just sign in into your account, and then it will tell you to manage your cards. Then just select your Rogers Bank World Elite MasterCard, and then just put in your new PIN, and that's how you activate your Rogers World Elite MasterCard. So it's that simple, guys. You can do it on their website or their application. So yeah guys, if you found this video to be helpful, then thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video very soon. Peace.